Hello boys, let us start grade 6 module 8 lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is area of triangles. Area of triangles. Now, what is a triangle? A triangle is a shape made by three sides. It's a closed figure made by three sides. This is a triangle. It has three sides, side number 1, side number 2 and side number 3. Okay, now it is a two-dimensional figure. It also has two dimensions, same as the parallelogram, a base and a height. Okay, if someone asks you to find the area of a triangle, the formula will be half of base times height. Half of base times height. Here the base is 10 and the height is 7. So half of base times height. Here I can do 10 divide 2. 10 divide 2 is 5. So finally I will get 5 times 7, which is 35. Okay, that will be the area. Unit square. Why square? Same thing, we are multiplying two units here. 5 is also a unit, 7 is also a unit. So 2 units yani unit square power 2. Let us practice some questions. Find the area of the right triangle. Right triangle means when the angle between the base and the height is 90 degree. When it is 90 degree, we call it a right triangle. Okay. Now, area of a triangle is equal to half of base times height. So here the base is 6 and the height is 4. So half of 6 times 4. Now here I can do 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So finally I will get 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. 12 what? Centimeter square. The unit is centimeter here. So centimeter square. Next question. The front of the camping tent has a dimension as shown. Okay, so this is a tent. If I check the front, the shape of the front is a triangle, correct? And its dimensions are given. This is the base and this is the height. How much material was used to make it? He is asking you how much material was used to make it. Yani, we are talking about the area, right? How much cloth will be used to fill this area, correct? So we have to find what? Area. So area of a triangle is again same formula, half of base times height. Here the base is 5 is to 1 over 5. So half of 5 is to 1 over 5 times the height is 3 is to 1 over 2. 3 is to 1 over 2. Now we can change these mixed number into fractions. These are mixed number, 5 is to 1 over 5 and 3 is to 1 over 2. We will change it into fractions now. How? First you multiply the denominator with the number in the front. 5 times 5, 25. Then you take this 25 to the numerator and add them. So 25 plus 1, 26. So this will become 26 over 5. Multiply. Similarly this one, 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 over 2. Now before I proceed, I can divide the 26 by 2. So 26 divided by 2 gives me 13. Okay. Now what do I have? 13 times 7 over 5 times 2. 13 times 7 is 91. 5 times 2 is 10. So check. There is 1 0 in 10, correct? So you can just remove the 10 and in the answer after in the numerator after one number put the point. That will be your answer, 9.1. What is the unit here? Feet. So 9.1 feet square. If you want to write the answer in mixed number, then you can divide them. See, 10 here, 91 divided by 10. 10 times how much will give you close to 91? 10 times 9 is 90, which is the closest number to 91 in the table of 10. Now do minus. 91 minus 90 will give you 1. You can stop here. Why? Because there is no number to bring down. Now, use these three numbers: the quotient, the remainder, and the divisor. First write the quotient 9, then come to the remainder 1, and then to the divisor 10. That can be your answer. This and this, they are same. Okay, so I hope you understood. Next type, find the missing dimension of the triangle. So the triangle has two dimensions, the base and the height. So in this type of question, one dimension will be missing. Let's check. In this triangle, the height is given. So I know that my height is 6.2 centimeter. But here the base is not given, B. So we have to find the B. The area of this triangle is also given here. The area is 24.8 centimeter square. Now, because we are talking about a triangle, we will use the area formula of triangle: half base into height. Area is how much? 24.8. So I will put 24.8. Okay, wait. Let me write it down. The area is 24.8, right? So let me put here 24.8 equals half. Base is not given, so let's take it B only. And the height is how much? 6.2. Okay. Now, before I do anything, I can divide the 6.2 with the 2. It will give me 3.1. So what do I have now? 24.8 is equal to 3.1 B. Now if you want to find the B, you have to remove the 3.1. So this is 3.1 times B. The opposite of times will be divide. So we will do divide 3.1 here to cancel it. If you do something on one side of equal, repeat the same thing other side also. So divide 3.1 here also. 3.1 divide 3.1, class over. So B is equal to 24.8 divided by 3.1. Check. I have 24 here and I have 3 here. 3 times how much gives you 24? 3 times 8 gives me 24. So let us try to do 3.1 times 8. Maybe we will get the answer. 8 times 1, 8. And 3 times 8, 24. After the point I have one number. So after one number I will put the point in answer also. 24.8. Here also 24.8. Yani 24.8 Taqsim 3.1 will give you 8. So my base here will be 8. Okay. So this lesson number 2 is over. Practice the question from the book. Best of luck. Goodbye.